Before we get started, I think this message is very important. It might sound funny, but she's telling the truth.
Regular sex is another thing that is going to build your home. Regular sex. As from today, I don't want to hear I am tired. At least for the next 1 month, you should be firing every day. After food for a man is sex.
So make sure you give your man sex more regularly. Give it to him in the morning, give it to him in the afternoon, give it to him in the evening, in the night, on bed, on anywhere, kitchen, bedroom, anywhere, any fucking way. Just give him sex. Be firing sex every day. Let me tell you, sex play a big role in relationship or in marriage. Men love sex. Men love sex. If you don't get anything from this video, remember, men love sex. Men see sex as a way of expressing their love, as a way that it makes them feel more connected with you. They feel more intimate with you. A man that loves you cannot stand you. He will want to have sex with you, like so. Do not deny your man sex. Do not. I think for a normal man, if he is well fed with food, you give him sex and you give him peace, he will not cheat on you. So this message is very important. Don't get me wrong, sex is not only way of expressing love, but it's play important roles. Give him more sex, give him more sex, give him more sex, give him sex.
Please, for the next 1 month, you should be firing every day. After food for a man is sex.